RMail comes fully equipped with features to help you collaborate with more precision faster. Features like side note, private notes, PDF conversion and more. Copying or blind copying colleagues is useful for keeping them in the loop, but can sometimes create confusion without the additional follow-up. Side note allows you to add contacts for copy and blind copy recipients in the form of a private note above the original message that only they can see, eliminating the need for additional follow-up. RMail also comes with PDF conversion, so that your Word, Excel and PowerPoint files can be converted to a PDF en route. Metadata cleaning eliminates risks and potential embarrassment from having excess metadata stored within documents. RMail also gives you the ability to compress multiple attachments into zip files, so no matter what platform you use to send emails, RMail does all this and more. Empower your email with RMail.